Hey everybody, so this is going to be just a quick video on something that we just actually tried and it works pretty good. So this vehicle has a P0455 large leak with the Evap system, and the reason for the large leak, if you can see down in there, let me see if I can get, is the gas cap, the spring in this piece right here is actually got a problem in it. So in order to repair that, you got to put a new neck in it, goes down to the bottom. Well, I figured, what if you could just put some kind of cap on here? So what I did was I went to the hardware store and I bought a 2-inch cap in it. It goes on pretty snug, it's good and tight. I put that on there, cleared the code. It's been 2 weeks since the code came back. I took the cap off last night, drove it around, the code came right back. That's why I just wanted to check it and see if that would work. So you put this little cap on, like I said, it goes on 2 inches. It's pretty tight and it'll keep you from having to replace that part if you don't want to spend the money right now. Just a quick little tip I thought I'd show. Now, I'm not the kind of guy that's going to ask you to like my video or subscribe to my channel. I'm the kind of guy that's going to beg you to do it. Click one of these other videos. Subscribe to my channel. It's on one of these sides. Do them both. Do them all.